Hello students. Today our topic is smart futuristic technologies. The world has entirely transformed and new inventions and discoveries are emerging in front of us. And things are changing rapidly that when a person observes such phenomena which show futuristic technologies and the person is bamboozled and confused that what's going on, what has been done with this universe. So today we'll plan to talk about some futuristic technologies and you will also talk about these points. Plato gave the concept of utopia. Utopia means an imaginary world where everything happens according to the desires of a person. And Plato gave this concept of utopia in 300 BC. But now this digital utopia or smart utopia has been accomplished. So this smart house or futuristic technologies are the manifestation of that utopia. You know, after the invention of wheel, internet has revolutionized our lives. Internet has changed us. The real concept of global world or global village has been materialized with the help of internet. Now getting a book from any part of the world or to buy any product from Amazon head office or get any information from any corner of the world is not a problem. Whole world is in your cell phone and nanotechnology has also compressed it that whole world has gone into your wristwatch. So with the passage of time, our non-living things have also become living with the help of IoT, Internet of Things. Internet of Things mean there are some very sensitive sensors in all products. As human beings feel that I need water to drink, I need food to eat, I'm feeling stuffy, I need that AC should be turned on. In the same way, these non living devices have started to feel. They will express what they want. Suppose your car is in shortage of mobile phone, it will show that it is in need of mobile phone, mobile oil, or if there is need of petrol, it will also show the need of petrol. So the things will express themselves that what they are in need. For example, there are driverless cars, and Google and several others have started to manufacture these driverless cars. So you will just sit in that car, and on the screen you will set your office place, and the car will start moving and drop you at your office place. Then you will not waste your time on parking. This car will go itself to the parking. So its sensors and timing will make it so much regular that next time you will not call it, the car will come automatically. And on Saturday, Sunday, you don't go to your office, so this car will not come until you call it or until you give it to order to come. So these cars are quite common in America and in some other advanced countries. But suddenly there was an accident in Arizona that a woman was crushed under such driverless car. So American state ordered to stop such driverless cars, and they wanted to improve it. So there are driverless aeroplanes are also there. When I was in USA, I listened a lecture and they informed that we have prepared driverless aeroplanes and we have tested them. But we cannot take risk to apply this technique right now because it can threaten the lives of hundreds of people. You are familiar with the drone cameras when there are sit-ins or there is a very large gathering. Drone cameras are used uh, that to cover that crowd, and it with that drones you can find out the total number of participants. The head of that sit-in claims that we are millions of people, but in reality there are almost 10,000 or 15,000 people. There are drones for forces. You must have observed that India has sent its drones to Pakistani areas. So drones are used for spying purposes. Nowadays there are very strange spying gadgets are there. They are like some reptiles. Suppose there is a snake and the other person will consider that it's a snake. But in reality, there are some cameras, sensors, and voice recorders, and they are sending video and audio or to those people who are controlling it. Amazon delivers things to people's doorstep. So Amazon has also experimented that you can order your things through drones. Its price is higher, but it will be delivered soon after uh, the order, and this drone will land on your in your home, and you can collect it easily. Look at the bottom. You see a person is flying. Yes, this is not in science fiction. It is in reality that the dream of human beings to fly has been fulfilled. Now human beings can fly easily for a long time. Without their wings, they just wear some gadgets and they operate it and they can fly safely. Okay, the concept of smart home. At the right side, you look at different types of sensors. Basically, these sensors record all your activities, and next time you will not memorize that routine. These sensors will memorize it. Suppose you turn your AC in June, July, and August. So when next year there would be 1st of June, your AC will turn on because these sensors have got the information about it and it will work automatically. When you leave your room, light will turn off, fan will turn off. In this way, it will save energy. There are smart fridges are in smart homes. Smart fridge will indicate that suppose this fruit is becoming stale, you should use it first. Or it has also been connected with the grocery store. Suppose you keep apples in your home and there is only one apple has left, and it will order automatically to grocer that please send apples, and you will find that there are one or two apples are remaining in your fridge and new bag of apples have reached at your doorstep. So smart fridge will order itself for grocery and for vegetables and fruit, and if something is going to be stale, it will inform you. Smart security, you can see all your home through your cell phone. This technique is present in Pakistan too. There are smart bathroom accessories. Japan has prepared such things. When you go to washroom, your blood test, your urine test, your heartbeat, your pulse, everything will be checked over there and it will appear in front of you. Moreover, it will also test your urine and point out that you are going to be you are going to face such type of troubles. So your waste will also be analyzed and it will inform you if some disease is going to start. Suppose your home is not clean or your bathroom has become uh, filthy and there is a risk of some disease, and this smart home will also detect health risks in your home. And obviously if building has been cracked, it will also inform you that this area is becoming weaker day by day. There are so many other qualities in the smart home. Smart health system is there. At the right corner, you look at different types of devices. These devices are wearables and they check your heartbeat, pulse, blood pressure, and it starts ringing in the red light if there is some serious threat to your health. So automatic diagnosis of problems is there, and automatic medication system is also there. There is another gadget to wear those who are in serious condition or those who are in need of intensive care. So medicine has also been attached with it. So if there is some problem, sensor will give signal to the hospital, doctor will uh, set it automatically or order from there, and a more dose of the medicine will be given to the patient. Patient will be monitored 24 hours while the patient is at home. In this way, the burden on hospital will be decreased. Organ preparation with cloning has also been done. Suppose one person's arm has been fractured or it has been cut in some accident, so you can get a new arm of flesh and a living arm with the help of cloning. Rent a womb is also present, as there was rent a car. In the same way, rent a womb facility is also present. Those who want to avoid such physical complexities. There is genetic engineering. This is also a big revolution in the field of genetics. Genetics engineering means those who want to change the sex of the baby, they can change it. First of all, they will diagnose the sex of the baby, and then in the womb, that sex can be changed, and this is called genetic engineering. A smart education system will be introduced. You have seen online teaching these days, and virtual university campuses are also there. One teacher is sufficient to teach the whole country. Online teaching system is quite, you are familiar with online teaching system, but there is virtual reality, augmented reality, and holography as realia. These things are becoming very popular. For example, there is a, you want to see that thing in the bigger form as a real form, and you can feel those things in reality in front of you with the help of augmented reality and virtual reality. Speech to text is also very common, that you will speak and your computer will write, your mobile will write. Machine translation is also quite common. There is no need to learn all languages, just learn one language and set a translation mode, and it will translate your TV channel uh, to every language. Holography mean as realia. Realia mean to bring real things in the classroom. Suppose teacher cannot bring real elephant in front of the students. Teacher can bring some toy elephant in front of students. So holography is a technique, 7D, seven-dimensional technique, which will make elephant in front of you. You can find such holography shows in YouTube. Cybersecurity, that now country is being secured through cybersecurity. This is a very important task. If some hackers or some terrorists just control the cyber system of any country, then they can collapse the whole country. Suppose they control airport, then they control all timing of airport and giving messages to pilots. What will happen? There would be a clash or accident of many airplanes. Geofencing, look at the right side. This is geofencing. That now you can buy any piece of land in any part of the world, and you can ensure your property rights over there. Geospatial, it's relevant with space. You look at geospatial technology. Geospatial technology is used to monitor the place for security purposes, for satellite system, and uh, to get information about weather forecast, and there are many other purposes of geospatial. There are smart wardrobes. Okay, this is also very interesting. Automatic selection of dresses. Suppose you say, I will not wear the same dress in function of my workplace. So you will select it, you will set it, so next time that dress will not appear in front of you. There is a repetition record. Suppose this dress has been worn 5 times, this dress has been worn 3 times. So in this way you can check your dresses. You can order new dresses from your smart wardrobe. As you look at, a girl is ordering which piece of cloth is dirty, it should be repaired or it should be cleaned, and you will just this smart wardrobe will find this problem itself, and it will call washerman to come over there and to collect and to clean them. Smart solid waste management system is there. Look at the right side, you see different types of boxes, and they recycle those waste into energy. There are also solar roof tiles which also provide uh, ceiling or the roof purpose, as well as they provide light and energy to the people. Robotics. Robots have transformed our world. Chatbot, every industry has started chatbot. There is no need of any person who will become the customer care center. You will write your any question over there, it will answer your queries. So chatbot has been deployed on almost every important website. Suppose you go to Amazon website, and there would be chatbot in front of you, and Apple website has also the same chatbot, and many others have also such chatbots. You write any question and it will answer your all questions. There is iRobot for picking garbage. It collects garbage. In this way, it will save salary of people. There are pet animals as robots. and those parents who are childless, they can also have such beautiful uh, children robots. And those child robot, that child robot will act like a small baby, and those habits or those expressions which you like most, it will also pick those expressions and will repeat those expressions again and again to give you pleasure. Robotic life partner, this is my idea, that in future there would be robotic life partners, that some people say that their spouse should not act against their will, so they should have such robotic life partner. That partner will satisfy them, there will never be fight, and there will not be any contradiction, and there would be peace. Smart robotic arm as chef. There is one arm and it has all recipes. You will just select those recipes and that arm will start cooking things for you. It will collect things from your kitchen. Suppose you want to prepare biryani, it will use all those things and it will prepare for you. If you want kheer, it will start making kheer and it will collect all those things and it will follow the instructions of recipe and it will make for you. So this is a big revolution in smart robotic arm as chef. In the corner at the bottom you find soldier shape. Yes, this is robotic soldier, and robotic soldier battalion has also been prepared, and in future these soldiers will fight in war battles. Artificial food. Human beings are afraid of shortage of food, so they have made artificial food. Look at this meat, different types of meat of different parts of the body. So this is artificial food, artificial meat picture. Our agriculture sector has also been changed a lot. Now human beings can get double growth with the help of artificial intelligence, and more crops can be taken, and small sized fruit trees can be planted in flower pots. So in this way people will have, suppose, a palm tree just in their flower pot, or a mango tree in their flower pots. There, when there are some opportunities and positive things, there are also some threats. There are some issues with smart technology or smart houses. There is no privacy. No privacy. Those organizations know about your each and every movement. They know you, what you eat, what you do, and what's happening with you. So there can be security breach. Suppose one organization provides you all these facilities, but some hackers enter over there, they steal your data, and even they can kill you. I gave it the name of soft murder. Suppose one person is on medication and medicine is provided, suppose 2 drops after 2 hours, and the person is in serious condition. The person breaches that security and enters over there and increases the quantity of that medicine, and the person will die. Those people who are high profile people like president, prime minister, and some other armed forces persons, scientists, and if a person wants to kill them, they can kill through this smart technology. So data hacking, you are familiar with the bankruptcy or banking frauds, that um, all money of one person can be stolen through such hacking, and it has been done in the world. So the person will be deprived of all its money. Some people say And it's a big challenge that there would be unemployment with the implementation of this smart technology. Suppose there are driverless cars, all Uber cream drivers will be jobless. So technology is bad, but this survey has also been conducted that at one side drivers will be jobless. Suppose there are 1 million drivers will be jobless in the world. This sensor industry will give jobs to 5 million people. So job opportunities have been increased 5%. Point is, at one time, on one side we are losing our jobs, and on the other side we are generating so many more jobs. So these smart technologies will not people unemployed, rather it will provide new opportunities. Old and obsolete ways of earning will be removed, new earning sources will be introduced. As people have started to make YouTube channels to make money, this concept was not present 1 decade ago. In this way, if drivers will be jobless, they have to change themselves to work in some sensor companies, or there would be data analyst numbers will increase. Rather, just simple computer operator jobs will decrease a lot because all things are coming to automation. So point is, smart technologies are not making people unemployed. Smart technology is making their life comfortable, convenient, easy, and modern, and it will provide them more job opportunities. Thank you so much. You are welcome for all types of question answers. Good luck.